Right now the crypto market is once again showing signs of life, and one of the coins quietly gaining attention is Tron, commonly known by its ticker TRX. At the moment, TRX is trading around 31 cents, and it has already pumped nearly 3% today, which might not look like a huge move compared to smaller altcoins that sometimes jump 20% or more in a day. But when a large and established blockchain like Tron starts moving upward steadily, it usually means something deeper is happening in the market. Tron has always been a unique project in the crypto space because instead of relying only on hype, it has built a massive ecosystem focused on fast transactions, stablecoin transfers, decentralized applications, and digital payments. That is why TRX often behaves differently from many other altcoins. While some tokens explode for a short period and then disappear, Tron tends to grow slowly but consistently as its network activity expands. The current price around 31 cents places Tron in a very interesting position. Over the past few years, the project has managed to maintain relevance even during difficult market conditions, which is something not many cryptocurrencies have been able to do. Many investors initially underestimated Tron because of its aggressive marketing style and the personality of its founder, but over time the network proved that it could actually deliver real utility. One of the biggest reasons behind Tron's continued growth is its dominance in stablecoin transfers, especially USDT. A huge portion of global USDT transactions happens on the Tron network because it offers extremely low fees and fast settlement times. This practical use case has made Tron one of the most active blockchains in terms of transaction volume, and that activity creates constant demand for TRX because users need the token to interact with the network. Today's 3% pump might seem small on the surface, but it often represents a shift in sentiment. When large-cap altcoins start moving upward slowly, it usually means that investors are beginning to accumulate again. Instead of rushing in during hype cycles, many experienced traders quietly buy during calm periods, building positions before the broader market notices the trend. Tron has historically experienced this kind of accumulation phase before major rallies. The price may move slowly for weeks or even months, staying within a narrow range, and then suddenly momentum builds and pushes it much higher. Another important reason why TRX continues to attract attention is the growth of the Tron ecosystem. Over the years the network has expanded into decentralized finance, NFTs, and digital entertainment platforms. Although it may not receive the same level of media attention as some other blockchains, Tron consistently ranks among the top networks in terms of active users and daily transactions. This kind of consistent usage creates a strong foundation that many speculative tokens simply don't have. While hype can drive prices temporarily, real adoption tends to support long-term growth. Now when we talk about 2026 price prediction for TRX, the conversation becomes even more interesting. Predicting cryptocurrency prices years in advance is never simple because the market is influenced by countless variables, including regulation, technological development, investor sentiment, and global economic conditions. However, by looking at historical patterns and current fundamentals, we can create realistic scenarios for where Tron might go in the next few years. A moderate growth scenario, where the crypto market gradually expands but without an extreme speculative bubble, TRX could slowly climb toward the 50 cents to 70 cents range by 2026. This type of growth would likely be driven by continued network activity, expansion of the Tron ecosystem, and increased adoption of stablecoins and decentralized applications. Because Tron already processes a large number of transactions daily, even a modest increase in global crypto adoption could significantly boost demand for TRX over time. However, the crypto market rarely stays moderate for long. When a full bull market cycle begins, capital flows into altcoins very quickly, and strong infrastructure projects like Tron often benefit from that surge of liquidity. In such a bullish scenario, TRX could potentially move toward the 80 cents to $1 range by 2026, especially if the network continues expanding its role in global digital payments. Reaching the psychological $1 level would be a major milestone for Tron, not only because of the price itself but also because it would represent a dramatic shift in how the market values the network's long-term potential. Another factor that could influence TRX's future price is the increasing role of stablecoins in global finance. As more people begin using stablecoins for cross-border payments and online transactions, blockchains that support cheap and fast transfers will become extremely important. Tron already has a strong advantage in this area because many stablecoin issuers and exchanges prefer its low fees compared to other networks. If stablecoin usage continues growing worldwide, Tron could become one of the main infrastructures supporting that system, which would naturally increase demand for TRX.